This reading activity says, listen to a read aloud from space. Yes, that is real. If you click the picture and then open the link, it will take you to this website called Storytime from Space. If you scroll down, that's by using the little roller ball, or on your iPad just by moving the screen, or if you're on a laptop using 2 fingers, whichever way you can make the screen roll down, you'll see all these different storybooks that are stories about space. Let's see, I want to read this one, Rosie Riviere Engineer. So I'm going to click it, and then it's going to take me to a video where an actual astronaut will read this story in space. How cool is that?